What's going on, guys? Cody from KHC here today, and what we have planned for today's video is this 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. The customer dropped it off. He wants to get a 3.5-inch lift from Clayton with the Falcon shocks, which I absolutely love. Along with the lift, we have some Arena Mission wheels in their satin gunmetal finish, wrapped in 37-inch Nitto Ridge Grapplers. Let's hop on back in this Jeep, get it over to Zach, and let's start wrenching. Well guys, here it is. The Rubicon is wrapped up. Zach absolutely killed it in the shop with getting this 3.5-inch Clayton lift kit with the Falcon shocks and steering stabilizer in, along with the Arena wheels. Absolutely look killer, wrapped in the 37-inch Nitto Ridge Grapplers. To me, I think this is a perfect kit for any of you Jeep Wrangler owners. Look into the Clayton lift kit with the Falcon shocks. You can't go wrong, honestly, you really can't. But guys, I know this was a quick one. I hope you enjoyed today's video. So as always, please leave a like, comment down below as to what you thought about this build. And as always, subscribe to the KHC YouTube channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.